Well, changes are on the way when it comes to health care with the Affordable Care Act. Got questions? Need answers? Well, Texas AgriLife Extension Service here to help. Joining us, Barbara Evans. And a lot of people may say, well, it's not going to have any impact on me, but it's a little more far-reaching than people who are just not covered because you have small businesses involved. People may want to rethink their health care. So there's a lot going on with this.
And it is going to affect everybody at one way or the other. And so they can't sit back and say, well, it doesn't matter to me, because yes, it does. Everybody is expected to have insurance, but there are provisions. We know that everybody is not able, and so there are provisions for those who need a little bit more assistance, but even that's going to wear out. And so people need to know what's going to be expected of them before they get themselves into trouble. I'm always trying to keep people out of financial trouble.
Oh, yeah, that's always a good idea.
Yeah.
So the object is to have a resource available for them, and so the Texas AgriLife Extension Services say, well, we'll kind of take that.
We've done a couple of things. We're always trying to keep the public informed, and so they've done two things. Here in Texas, our specialists have put together a really nice resource package for us agents to use, and so folks can call in and ask me questions, and I have a whole list of ones that are most frequently asked questions, and if I don't have the ready answer, then I know where to go to find it. And then the other thing they've done, Extension Nationwide has a service called Ask an Expert. And so there's a website address they can go to, and either a medical health specialist or a financial specialist will, they can submit their questions, and one of those professionals will get back to them with the answer for their particular situations. And so it's not just a generic answer, it's an answer to your question.
So you've had to make yourself a bit of an expert on this, as much as one can.
I've read.
Given, I mean, I get, it baffles me sometimes.
I've got a stack like this.
But what you can't, the easy stuff, or the first tier layer stuff that you can't help somebody with, that's a great thing about this website. And you just go, you click on it. I clicked on it today, and it has a place where you just ask your question, and they're going to get back to you. It won't be an immediate response, obviously, but there will be a response.
It's not very long, a day maybe, but relatively quickly someone will get back to you, and it's trusted information. Believe me, it'll be trusted
and that's important.
Information, because one of the things that's going to happen is they're going to have these community navigators who are supposed to go out and answer questions for people, but you're already seeing television commercials trying to sell people this insurance. And so they need to know what it is they need to have right away and what they can delay on getting, and then some of the other things that are really going to affect them.
Look, there's on the screen is the information. We'll leave that for just a minute. Are there deadlines approaching for this? What's our timetables for
Well, you can start getting all of your insurance coverage right at this point, but it doesn't actually go into effect until January 2014.
Okay.
But you don't need to wait till then to find out what to do, because then you'll be in a rush and not make the best decisions.
Okay, if anyone has any other questions, they can call you at the
Give me a call.
AgriLife Extension
We'll
office.
help 'em
Barbara,
out.
thanks. We appreciate it.